Hi guys, how you doing? Another quick little review on Cryptobo after response from yesterday's video. So just here I'm looking at Bitcoin US dollar. You can see that there's a pattern here. You can see it's taken that dip, it's now risen, it's come down to that dip, not quite as far as there. Now it's risen. Now I'm predicting it's going to dip again, but not quite as far as that, and then up not as far as that. So I'm going to place some put trades here. So I'm on the hour view. Let's go to the minute view. I'm going to place some put trades. I'm doing it 0.70, which is roughly around $500. Excuse my dog's barking. It's gone into the buffer zone now. It's all going wrong. Never work with kids and animals. I think it's the postman. Yeah, so basically what I've done there, I've looked at the pattern. It's shot up. It's hit that high point there. It's then made its way down to that low point. It's come back up again, but not quite as far as that. So I'm predicting it's now going to go down again, but not as far as that before it comes up again. So let's do some more here. Before it hits that serrated edge. Get another one in. Yeah, so I'm guessing it's probably going to come to about down here, then it will come up again, but not quite as high as that. Wait, stop your barking. I'm trying to do a video. Come here. Come here. Look at this monkey. This little monkey. Look. What are you growling at? Eh? Yeah. Go on, you go. You're naughty. Pain in the bum. Yeah, so lovely. They come in. Let's have another look at that. Yeah, so I'm still guessing that's got a little bit more on it. So let's try and get some more in. Let's get back to that 1 minute view before it comes back up again. So I'm guessing. What do you want now? What is going on here? Look at this. Look. Dear oh dear. Dogs. So I'm guessing that. Oh dear. What a matzo pudding of a review. Yeah. So I'm guessing that's going to come down a bit lower. But it's very, very simple to use. Very simple to use. Yeah, it's nearly going to come down as low as that one. I'm guessing that'll be on its way back up soon. But it's very, very simple to use. As you can see, you can click in and out of the time here. I'm sorry this video is a bit of a nightmare, what with dogs barking and everything else. But it's real, isn't it? What can you do? Yeah, very simple. You've got the views here, so you can zip between 1 hour and a minute. Now I'm guessing that any minute now that's going to be on its way back up. You've got all the pairings here. You don't have to use crypto. You can use currency pairings. There's commodities and everything else on there. If you want to max out, you can here. Max the full balance if you see an opportunity, if something happens. So yeah, I'm guessing. So you can see it's hit that high point. It's gone to that low point, not as low as before. It's then gone to that high point, which isn't quite as high as that. And then it's come down again, virtually the same as that, but not quite as high, which is what I said. And now it's going to come back up, and I'm guessing it's going to come back up to around here and go down. So you can see there's an overall pattern. Each time it's getting a little bit lower and a little bit higher. A little bit lower than there, a little bit higher than there. Let's go into the 1 minute view. A couple of cool trades as I'm predicting that's going up. Get one there, once on that low point. Another one there. Might have caught a cold with this one. Oh, woohoo! Look at that. So you could see I was right in what I've predicted. You know, it's low. It's gone to that high point. It's come back down, but not as low as that. It's come up to there, not as high as that. So then it's come back down, not quite as low as that. And now it's going to go up again, probably to somewhere around here, and then do the same thing. But not investment advice, just how I do it. But now, as you can see, I'm almost up to 3 Bitcoin. But like I said yesterday, the halving's coming next year in May. It's predicted to go up to 50 grand. So try and get as much Bitcoin as you can now. Why it's low? It's gone up a little bit today. I think it's at 7. Let's have a look. Let's just refresh that. 7. Where's it gone? Yeah, just over 7 grand. So it's gone up a little bit. I think it's going to stay around the 7 grand, maybe 7.5 up until Christmas. And then, you know, obviously with Christmas coming up, a lot of people are selling to get, you know, they need money for Christmas and whatever. So I think it's going to stay around that. But I think next year, once this halving happens in May, obviously it'll be, you know, a good few days after that, but it will go up. I think next year is going to be a massive year for Bitcoin. So yeah, I recommend getting in on it now. Either buy it or, like I said yesterday, if you're new to it, trade with it like this. You can see that's going where I said it was. It's on its way back up. But Cryptobo is a very easy way to trade Bitcoin. You put your money in. I can't remember what I think you can go small. You don't have to put a minimum of $500. You can put whatever you want in $100, $50. They convert it into a wallet. They put it into Bitcoin, and then you can trade. It's very, very simple. As you can see on here, I mean, my strategy works for me. It might not work for everyone. Like I said, it's not investment advice. But check it out for yourself. Cryptobo. There's a link below this video. Build your Bitcoin up before the big halving next year and get on it. But I find this a very easy way. I mean, I started with this before I started trading on exchanges when I was new to Bitcoin. And I found it very easy. So it's a very, very easy way to do it. It's very simple to use. So you can zip in and out of the graph here. You haven't got to scroll in and scroll out. You can jump from an hour to a minute. You know, just put your amount in. This is the only tricky bit, is working out what the amount is. I say I've been using 0.70, which is roughly around $500 at the point of doing this video. Obviously, that's changing all the time. You know, you can change the view of it up here. It's very, very simple to use. A very good, easy way to make Bitcoin. But check it out for yourself. I said this isn't investment advice. It's just how I do it. You've seen my strategy. It works for me, might not work for everyone. But if you want to check it out for yourself, there is a link below this video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing, and don't forget subscribe as well for all the latest on crypto news, trading platforms and scams and everything else. And I'll be back with you with more updates and reviews soon. Thank you very much.